Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So on this particular day, everyone woke up with sore throats. So I decided to make some chicken noodle soup. Of course, I will leave all the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below. So here I am just dicing up the celery and the onion. I had already washed the chicken breast and I was preparing to put that in the pan. So here I have the chicken cooking and I just have chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, parsley, and that's it in this pan. And then in this pan I have some water and I'm waiting for that to boil, and then I'm going to add in some of the onions and some of the celery, and then I will cut the chicken up and then add the chicken to that. Here I have the last two pieces of chicken with a little bit of onion, and here I have cornstarch and water, and I'm going to add a little bit of this to the pan, and then I'll save the rest of this for the soup. I'm going to add the celery and onion mixture. I'm going to add a little bit of the chicken bouillon. A little bit of the poultry seasoning. Onion powder. And garlic powder. And just a little bit of black pepper. Stir that up, and I'm going to let that come to a boil. So at this point, we are almost done. So I did do a little taste test of the broth, and it tastes really good. I just would like it to be a little thicker. So I'm going to add the rest of this cornstarch and water mixture. I'm going to stir that up. And I'll add in the noodles. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we'll let this cook for about 7 or 8 minutes, and then I'll come back to check it to see how it's doing. So once the noodles were done and the soup was finished, I did turn off the burner and I had to run out to the store to get some juice for everyone. And when I came back, someone had already been in the pan. So that's neither here nor there. I'm going to make my bowl of soup now. I have my soup and I'm going to see what movie is on Lifetime. So I'm going to watch a little bit of a movie and then probably take a nap. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Why on earth would you lie to my son and tell him we're having an affair? Aren't we? No. No, even if we were, what kind of a person brings kids into it like that? Your son messaged me about photos that he found that obviously you hadn't deleted. I didn't reach out to him. You can't blame me for that. Cut the crap, Valerie. First the pictures and then sending my daughter a gift without my permission. Now communicating.